Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Figma to HTML. We'll cover the essential steps to transform your visual designs into functional web pages. This process involves careful preparation in Figma, followed by strategic integration into your HTML structure. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to bridge the gap between design and development, making your workflow more efficient and your projects more cohesive. Let's dive into the details and get your designs online. To begin, proper preparation in Figma is key. Ensure your layers are well-named and grouped logically, which significantly aids the export process. Figma allows you to export assets in several formats, such as SVG for scalable graphics, or PNG and JPG for raster images. You can select specific elements or entire frames for export. Additionally, exploring Figma plugins can provide a powerful shortcut, often generating CSS properties or even basic HTML structures directly from your design elements, saving you valuable time. Once your assets are exported, the next step is integrating them into your HTML. Start by organizing your image files into a logical folder within your project directory. You'll then use standard HTML tags, like the image tag, to embed these visuals, ensuring the file paths are accurate. For styling, you can manually write CSS based on your Figma design specifications or paste in CSS snippets generated by plugins. Remember to build a semantic HTML structure that mirrors your Figma layout for better accessibility and maintainability. To truly streamline your workflow, consider adopting a robust design system within Figma. This ensures consistency and reusability of components, making the transition to code much smoother. Many powerful Figma plugins exist, such as Figma to HTML or Anima, which can automate significant portions of the code generation process, converting designs into functional HTML and CSS. Effective communication between design and development teams is also paramount. Finally, always test your integrated designs across various browsers to ensure a consistent user experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.